I've always been a little intense into whatever I do. Whether it's the rush of snowboarding, the thrilling sensation of base jumping, or the heart-pumping intensity of dirt biking, I've always been one to fully immerse myself in the experience. Either I go all in or I don't. My love for getting out of my comfort zone has always led me to accomplish whatever I have in mind, and as an artist to be able to put these adventures out there and showcase them to the world is a true blessing. So for this reason, let me take you to Tanzania. Far from what you used to see, where ancient tribes still thrive and the wildlife roams free. This place is really like no other, and this time I'm here with my friends to summit the highest peak in Africa, Mount Kilimanjaro.
Let me tell you something.
As we arrived in the heart of the city of Arusha, our first stop was a rooftop, a hidden gem tucked away amidst the bustling cityscape. Here, we met Tom, the visionary behind this incredible journey. He is the mastermind behind Kiliwar Expeditions, the company my friends and I chose to guide us on their quest. As we watched the sun sink below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of red and gold, we knew we were in for an adventure beyond compare. Our hearts were already pounding with excitement as we headed back to our hotel, ready to meet our team on the next morning. Hey guys, good morning. It is currently 8 a.m. August 24th. Charles and I just woke up. Right now we're gonna go down, eat breakfast. Later today we're gonna officially meet our team, the climbers, the porters, or guides who we're gonna climb the mountain with. And we're also gonna do a quick bag check, make sure we have everything. And then tomorrow, August 25th, official start of the climb for the next 9 days. Super stoked for everything.
How are you, Benji?
Hey, how are you, man?
Good, how are you?
A lot of gear.
Camera too. Your duffel bag will be very, very heavy.
Yeah? This is
The fleece.
that's a fleece,
The fleece, good.
mid layer. And I have this one,
And you have that one.
which is in Gore-Tex.
Yeah. Yes, we're gonna meet down there by the lobby
Perfect.
in 5 minutes.
As a self-proclaimed last-minute person, I was grateful for the meeting before a climb, a chance to soak up every detail of our journey and make sure we were fully prepared for the adventure ahead. It was a time to connect with other climbers, share our excitement, and go through the necessary safety checks before departure. Little did I know, the route we chose, known as the Western Breach, is the most scenic of all, but also the most challenging of our routes, with steep climbs and rugged terrain. And with more than 50 pounds of camera gear on my back for the next 9 days, I knew it wasn't going to be an easy challenge. For me, the most thrilling part of any journey is the anticipation of what's to come, the promise of new experiences and new horizons. And as we were heading to the bottom of the mountain to start our trek, I knew that this journey would be nothing short of life-changing.
This ride is a journey to run, boy, run. The secret inside of you, run, boy, run. This race is a prophecy.
Hey guys, so we just reached the starting point, which is called Lemosho Gate here at the Kilimanjaro. Right now we're gonna eat to get some fuel in our belly. Then we're gonna hike for 2 to 3 hours to reach the first camp. And then it's gonna be our first night on the mountain. It's gonna be an awesome journey. Ready more than ever, we said bye to our friend Tom and set off on the first leg of our journey into the heart of Mount Kilimanjaro. First section, the tropical forest. Go bro! Woo! What's up guys? First day here on the mountain. Got the boys. It's gonna be so awesome. Let's send it! We just made it to first camp, and that's what our campsite looks like for tonight. That's where we're gonna sleep. Yeah.
Day one in the box.
Day one in the box. Let's go. First camp. So as you can see, guys, the first day is not easy for everyone. We didn't even eat yet, and our friend Charles is sleeping already. Come on, bro. Thank you, my friend. Okay. Some tea already. As we ventured into the second ever climb, the reality of the challenge we had set ourselves was beginning to sink in. The days ahead would be tough, testing us in ways we had never experienced before. Making our way through the lush green landscape, moving at a steady pace, I felt that I was exactly what I was meant to be. A chance to be fully present and completely immersed by the nature around me. Every step brought us closer to the heart of the mountain, and every breath seemed to fill me with a sense of purpose. Heading to Shira Camp 1?
Yeah, still in the game, day 2.
Day 2!
We are doing great.
Hey guys, so we just got out of the rainforest, making our way into the clouds. We can feel actually the temperature changing. It's getting colder. I'm feeling great. We are with the guide following us. How do you guys feel?
We are doing very great.
Doing very great. And I hope that we're gonna be above the clouds by tomorrow morning. Hey guys, so we are right now at Shira Camp 1, currently at 3,650 meters. That's where we're gonna sleep for the night. Right now we're doing a little time lapse of the sunset with the boys. Hopefully it's gonna look amazing. Tonight we are eating fish with soup and pancakes. It's gonna be really good. And tomorrow we're heading to more camp. It's gonna be a 4.5 hours trekking. So I'll see you up there. Peace. The nights grew colder and the days grew more challenging. But with each passing step, the landscape seemed to become more and more stunning, as if the air was infused with the raw, untamed beauty of the mountain. What struck me most was the sheer efficiency of the 50 porters who were with us on this journey, bringing us coffee at dawn and packing up our equipment while we soaked in the scenery. My respect goes to these hardworking men and women who made our journey possible. So we just got to launch camp, but I just wanted to show you something. Here we have the plate in honor of Scott Fisher, the man who discovered this route called the Lemosho Western Breach Route. He actually died on Everest, but Scott, thank you for making me discover this amazing route. It's one of the most scenic here on the Kili, and it's absolutely stunning.
just got to Camp 3 called Moore Camp, and as soon as we arrived, I just completely passed out, feeling super tired, super cold right now, even though I'm in my sleeping bag. Everyone's cheering outside, but I'm just not feeling, so as they say in Swahili, pole pole, which means slowly, slowly. So I'm relaxing right now. I think this might be due to altitude sickness, but no matter what, I'm gonna get to the top of that mountain, make a film. It's all in the mind, guys. It's all in the mind. I'll see you tomorrow, Camp 4.
I've been taken to a deeper love.
It's fucking hot.
Sinking further than I've before. My breathing slows while that begins to show. As I move closer to a place unknown. I've been hoping for a better life.
When I leave Kilimanjaro, I think that I'm going to be looking for the next adventure for sure. So this has taught me that doing things that I never thought I would be able to do. Like, I've always wanted to do it, but never really was like, can I do it? So I think leaving Kilimanjaro, I think the things that I want to do, I'm just going to go and do it. I think I'm going to be booking up stuff, and I'm going to be like, go to hell, I'm going to do it.
On the mountain, you can expect to meet incredible like-minded people, each and one of them with a drive of adventure and curiosity. A reminder to take action towards your everyday dream, leaving you inspired to push your own limits. This is pretty much how Lava Tower Camp made me feel, where you can expect endless clouded versions and shivers on your arms when the sun goes down. Without a doubt, the best sunset of my life.
Guys, a vlog from Camp 4 called Lava Tower. It's been a short day full of laugh, adventures. Right now we are about to go to sleep. Tomorrow we are going to acclimatize, and then on the next day it's gonna be summit. It's been hard, but we're enjoying every moment and just having a ton of fun. Yeah, just so stoked for the next few days.
Just made it to the last camp. Tomorrow we are gonna take the Western Breach route, which is right there, super steep, and then we're gonna head to the summit, which is in the clouds right now. I'm just super excited, and I couldn't have asked for anything better. My life right now is just awesome. I'll see you at the top. Before the summit push, you start thinking about your experience, how it made you evolve as a person, and how it changed your perspective on life. Mountains have a way of inspiring us to be our best selves, to strive for greatness, and to overcome, even when the most challenging obstacles come up. The nature and the environment we can find here is just something that we can rarely find in this society nowadays. And the peace of mind I had is just something coming straight out of a dream, not thinking about the past nor the future, simply immersed in what we call the flow state, which can be experienced only in moments like this. I guess that's why I wanted to climb this mountain. To be fully immersed, but most importantly, to keep living an intense life. Because that's where I find the most joy.
It's cold right now. Alright boys, let's make this climb. Get to the summit.
Creatures of my dreams raise up and dance with me. Now and forever,
In August 2022, at 20 years old, I got to summit Africa's highest mountain. I did it with my friends who, just like me, made the choice of living an intense life, which is not just about reaching new heights, but pushing myself every day to be the best version of myself. It's about constantly seeking new challenges, exploring new places, and meeting people who inspire me to be better. And guess what? This is just the beginning.